Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
Hello everyone, today we are going to explore the latest artificial intelligence powerhouse from China, DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI is taking the world by storm. But what makes it special? And could it be the next ChatGPT killer? Stay tuned as we dive deep into its features, capabilities, and how you can start using it today. DeepSeek AI is a cutting edge language model developed in China that has quickly climbed to the top of App Store charts, even surpassing ChatGPT. It offers real time responses, multilingual capabilities, and powerful AI driven tools that are shaking up the tech world. Let's walk through how to use DeepSeek AI. First of all, go to the website deepseek.com. You can start using its web version by clicking on Start Now button. You can create a new account by clicking on Sign Up. And you can also log into by using your Google account. So I will be using my Google account. Once you have logged into DeepSeek, you will notice that it has the same interface as ChatGPT. DeepSeek AI offers document summarization, image analysis, and even voice input capabilities. Unlike ChatGPT, DeepSeek AI integrates a search engine providing real time data and more accurate responses. It can translate and generate content fluently in both English and Chinese. So let's check its multilingual fluency compared to ChatGPT. I will ask DeepSeek to summarize an English paragraph into Mandarin and then translate it into Spanish. Let's check it out. I will just paste the content here and ask DeepSeek to summarize this paragraph into Mandarin and translate into Spanish. Let's click on Enter. So as you can see, summarized the paragraph into Mandarin and also translated it into Spanish. So it has the more advanced multilingual frequency as compared to ChatGPT. Now let's analyze the coding ability of DeepSeek. Let's ask it to create a game in HTML. Let's start the new chat, click Enter. So as you can see, it has given me the answer very quickly, and all of these features are free. It is also making me understand the HTML structure, the CSS styling, and also the JavaScript logic it has used in the coding. There are some instructions how to play the game. So let's run it by clicking on Run HTML. Alright, so it is great. You have to capture the ball and click on it to speed it up. And it is quite difficult to click on this ball. Let's try the same coding in ChatGPT. Alright, so ChatGPT has given its code, but it has taken longer than DeepSeek to write this code. So let's click on Preview. So this pedal is movable by the left and right arrow keys, and you need to set the position of this pedal so that ball can hit on this pedal and then it can bounce back. No doubt, ChatGPT has also done its job, but it has taken longer than DeepSeek. Moreover, it has not given me any instructions to play this game. So let's check the fact-checking capability. Now start a new chat and give it a headline. I will see whether it can verify the news accuracy better than ChatGPT. I will just enable the search and click on Enter. Let's give the same query to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also searching the web. So ChatGPT has searched the web and given all details about this news. So ChatGPT has done its research, and according to it, the headline accurately captures the impact of DeepSeek AI on the global tech industry. Now let's see how DeepSeek AI does its research. So it has found 49 results, as compared to ChatGPT that has provided only 3 references here. So it has done an in-depth research, and it is elaborating each and every result it has found on the web. In the end, it has also provided a conclusion and also the links for the sources. So we can say that its fact-checking capability is stronger than ChatGPT. Now let's check its document analysis capability. Let's share a PDF with it. Now let's see how it extracts the information from this document. Do the same thing with ChatGPT. Start a new chat and attach the PDF file here. Now let's ask it to analyze the PDF file and extract the text. Ask the same question from ChatGPT. Now click enter. So I will ask it to provide me summary and key highlights from this PDF. So ChatGPT has provided the summary, key highlights, and also the final thoughts about this PDF document. So now let's check how DeepSeek has analyzed the PDF we have uploaded here. So as you can see, when we asked ChatGPT to analyze this PDF, it has given a very short answer that I have extracted the text from PDF and it is an ultimate guide, and I'll just give you the more answers or information as per your further queries. And when we asked it to provide the summary and highlights, then it provided this information, actually very short information about the PDF here. But when we ask DeepSeek to analyze the PDF, this analysis provides a comprehensive overview of the PDF and highlighting the key themes, tips, advice for anyone. So I think the document analyzing capability of DeepSeek is more advanced than ChatGPT. So in DeepSeek AI, you can do more advanced jobs using its free version. DeepSeek AI is an exciting new player in the AI world, offering features that can challenge major competitors like ChatGPT. If you are looking for a powerful AI that's multilingual and efficient, DeepSeek AI is worth trying.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.